welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you from Lamashegu, a suburb of Tamale. In this video, they are dancing the Bila dance. This particular Tagomba traditional dance or Dagon cultural dance is called the Bila dance. Dance is being danced by spiritual people, so it's not everyone in Dagon kingdom who can dance this particular dance. So family, I'm with the Bamaya dancers here. The previous dance that they dance in the first minute was called Jera. I did a little bit mistake in the name to the name of the dance. The first dance was called Jera. My brother, what's going on? This is one of the Bamaya dancers. And usually when they are going to dance it, they wear women's clothing. Yes. Yeah. So I'm coming over there. Yes. Dagon tradition, Dagon culture. Wow. So this is called the Bamaya dance. It is being danced mostly by men, but sometimes women also dance it like this lady. They dance it in funerals, they dance it in weddings, they dance it in naming ceremonies, and they even dance it in birthday parties. That is, those who celebrate birthday parties here. involves a lot of energy. It involves a lot of energy. So people who are not so energetic cannot dance this particular dance. And the whistle blower, as he's whistling all his songs that he's singing. So this one, when you translate, the whistle is blowing, it's just like singing a song vocally. So now they are going to change a dance. They are going to change a different drumming and a different dancing. So in Dagbale we call them Bamaya Warba. Bamaya Warba. And because it involves a lot of energy, when they dance for some few minutes, they have to take a small rest and then continue again. Moreover, as you know, they shake themselves too much. Some of their, tools that they use to dance, they have to stand and then, tighten it up again. So the white stuff that is wrapped in their waist, in Dagbale we call it Yabsa, Bamaya Yabsa. That's the name we call it in Dagbale. That is Bamaya Yabsa. So as you see, they have changed a different dance. When they are dancing, they wear women dresses. They wear women dresses. That's what they are singing. As they are dancing, they go round. They go round while they are dancing. The town that this dance was originated was called Shang. Shang. So one day I'm gonna give you a history about this Bamaya. It was Shang that this Bamaya dance was originated. Warnakuo. Warnakuo. Africa is blessed with this cultures. Africa is so blessed. Now let me sing this particular drum they're dancing for you to hear. Adam Maba, Sadam Maba, Obedu. Adam Maba, Sadam Maba, Obedu. Adam Maba, Sadam Maba, Obedu. 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 Adam Maba, Sadam Maba, Obedu. So you see how the drumming goes. The drumming is talking. The drums is talking. So it's only a person who can understand it, what it says, that can, translate it. Obedu, Adam Maba, Sadam Maba, Obedu. Obedu. Very exciting here, and it's time for me to go because I have to go make sure that my animals is satisfied. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching, and please kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe to this channel and hit, click on the notification button. And then also, share these contents like my videos and just let it go, you know, all over the world for people to see the Dagbon culture and the African culture. Thank you so much. On behalf of all these Bamaya dances, it's your brother Prince Ayoko saying, have a wonderful weekend and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace.